Hello! Today we will learn how to create a meeting in Google Meets. Our first step will be to open a brand new web page and click on the URL box. Once in the URL bar, type in the words meet.google.com. This will take you to the Google Meet homepage. Once you are on the Google Meet homepage, navigate to the green bar that says New Meeting. When you click on New Meeting, you will get three options: Get a meeting link to share, Start an instant meeting, and Schedule in Google Calendar. Today, we will be scheduling in Google Calendar. When you click on Schedule in Google Calendar, it will automatically take you to your Google Calendar to create a brand new meeting. You will need to add a title to your meeting. Once you are done naming your meeting, you can choose a time for your meeting and you can choose its occurrences. If you would like for your meeting to reoccur or repeat, you can change that option here. If you would like for it to be a one-time meeting, you will leave it on Does Not Repeat. If you scroll down, you will see a blue button that says Join with Google Meet. This blue button will contain all of your meeting information. Now it's time to add guests to your meeting. Over on the right-hand side, you can add guests by their email address. When you are done adding guests to your Google Meets, click the Save button at the top of the page. You will get a pop-up box that says, Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Click Send. This will send an invite to all of your participants for Google Meets. It will automatically open your Google Calendar and you will see your mock meeting. When you click on your meeting on your Google Calendar, it will open up the meeting details, giving you the option on the blue button to join with Google Meet. Click on Join with Google Meet. This will take you back to your meeting on the Google Meets page, and you can choose the option to mute yourself or to turn your camera off. And on the right-hand side, you will have an option to join now or become the presenter. Today we will join now, and it will take you to your meeting. Your Google Meet has begun. When you are done meeting, you can hang up. This concludes our how-to on how to create a meeting using Google Meets.